Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shashaprabha Pereira and today we have a special treat for you. We are going to dive into the fascinating world of if clauses with a festive twist. So grab a cup of hot cocoa, get cozy by the fireplace and let's unwrap the magic of conditional sentences together. But before we jump into the lesson, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our language learning adventures. Now, let's get started. If clause, often known as conditional sentences, can greatly enhance our ability to express possibilities, hypothetical situations, and conditions in English. It consists of two distinct parts, the if clause or the dependent clause and the main clause. Now, let's jingle all the way into the first time. If clause type 1 is used to talk about real or possible situations. It implies that the condition in the if clause can be fulfilled and the result in the main clause will happen. Let's discuss this example. If it snows on Christmas Day, I will build a snowman in the front yard with my friends. In this case, the if clause type 1 shows the possibility of snowfall on Christmas Day, and the main clause reflects the outcome, building a snowman with friends. Notice how the if clause, if it snows, is in the simple present. Now, why is that? It's because we are talking about a possible condition, whether it's currently snowing or not. And then, in the main clause, I will build a snowman in the front yard with my friends. We are using the future simple tense. This expresses the action that will happen if the condition in the present, which is snowing, is fulfilled. So, we are planning to build a snowman in the future. Remember, we can use can, may, and must as auxiliaries. If clause type 2 is used to talk about unreal or improbable situations. It implies that the condition in the if clause is unlikely to be fulfilled, and the result in the main clause is therefore also unlikely. If Santa Claus were real, he would deliver presents to every child in the world on Christmas night. Let's have a closer look at the example. If Santa Claus were real, we use the past simple tense of to be, that is were, to indicate an impossible or unreal condition. Santa Claus is a fictional character. Now let's check the main clause, which is the result. He would deliver presents to every child in the world on Christmas night. The main clause uses would to express a hypothetical result if the impossible condition were true. Here it suggests what Santa Claus would do if he were real, even though in reality he is not. For the main clause, you can use would, should, could, and for the if clause, you can use were to, or should. In type 3 conditional sentences, we are dealing with impossible or unreal conditions in the past. I will explain it to you with an example. If we had decorated the Christmas tree with tinsel last year. In this case, the condition is presented as something that did not happen in the past. Perhaps they chose not to decorate the tree with tinsel. Let's read the main clause now. It would have shimmered and sparkled beautifully. Here we use would have to express the hypothetical result or consequence of the unreal condition. It suggests that if the Christmas tree had been decorated with tinsel, which didn't happen, it would have had a beautiful and shimmering appearance. So, the complete sentence would be, if we had decorated the Christmas tree with tinsel last year, it would have shimmered and sparkled beautifully. This type 3 conditional structure is useful for discussing situations in the past that didn't occur and the imagined outcomes that might have resulted if they had. I hope you enjoyed our festive journey through if clauses. Stay tuned for exclusive if clause exercises to enhance your English skills. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy holidays and keep learning. Bye.